Hi, I'm Carl Nagin. I'm a professional writer and I've worked as an investigative reporter for national publications and for public television. I've also taught writing and journalism classes at Harvard. I want to invite you to take my class in writing personal narrative. We'll practice the different strategies writers use for developing character and the descriptive techniques that create compelling stories or personal essays. We'll also discuss readings and work together on writing exercises in a workshop format to discover and strengthen your own voice as writers. You'll leave this class with a finished personal narrative that we will have peer-reviewed and edited together. We'll also explore avenues for publication for those of you who are interested. So I welcome you to this class. I'm eager to work with you on your writing, and I look forward to meeting you.